Hey guys, so today we're going to take a quick look at the updates that we've made to our form builder. So we've done videos on forms before, and I'm not going to go into all the details of exactly how to do that. There's other videos on building the forms and whatnot. But just going to show you a couple of things as far as what the forms look like in the app and how they come out once they've been submitted. Okay, so I've got one here that I created for the Oscars, whatever. When you click the edit button here, you'll see that at the top of the form list here, you have a header image. Now, this is what comes in on the form once it's submitted. You don't see that in the app anywhere. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up my app and I'm going to click the form that I just created, what I just showed you. And hang on one second, I'm going to update this. You see this name and phone number. These fields can be made to pull the information right from the profile when you signed up. So I'm going to come back in here, click on name, and then the predefined value, just double click in this field and you'll get the first name. Do that. Phone number, same deal. Click on this. Phone number, once you do that, that's done. I don't think anything else is here as far as, let me just delete this. I don't need this test field there. Okay, so we've got quite a bunch of stuff here on this form, and I'm going to pull it up in the app again. Let me just hard close it and then reopen. Where is it here? Okay. So now the app is going to be refreshed. Once I click on the form builder here, now you can see this has pulled the information that I had for my user profile, so I don't have to fill it out, right? So you don't want to have people fill it out if you've already registered for the app. It's not necessary for them to keep filling the names out. Okay, so let's just go down here. I'm going to put my selections here. Okay, I could change that color scheme to make it look a little better, but it is what it is for now. I'm going to pick a best actress, best actor. I have to fill all the parts of the form out. So let's go here and pick Jordan Peele, best animated feature. Okay. My signatures, I can put my signature here, so there's my signature. Okay, this is again just dummy text here. I can select the time. I can select the date. I can select an image from my gallery here. Let me just scroll down here and select this girl here, and to date, another date here. I've added a couple of signature fields. Anyways, we were just testing the form, so you can see all that. So I'm not going to add audio here. Let's see if it'll let me submit. Audio is required because it made audio a required field. So let me just do a quick recording. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay. Now I will come down here and submit. Okay, submitting the form. And now what happens is I will be emailed the form, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what I just received in an email. Okay, now this is not the good part. So this just came in on the email, but the data is also sent in an attachment. So I'm going to click the attachment, and you can see here now, here are my selections. Here's the information that I entered. So this is a multiple page form, okay? And this is what the form looks like. So it's a large update. There's multiple pages here, but you can see you got the image header there. Then you've got all my selections and my signatures, and I've also got the link to the audio file here as well. I can click that and listen to my audio, and it tells me who submitted the form, blah blah blah. This text is manageable in the back end. That's it. So the forms look a lot prettier. There's a lot of multiple choice questions here. There's not a lot of text information, but once you have text information there, it even looks even better than we've got it here. So. Let me show you in the back office here. Also in this form, when I click on form here, the data is also here. When you click on view data, you'll see the forms filled out here. So I just fill this out, and I can also download it directly from the back office to my device without having to go. So all of the forms will be populated here, and it'll give you like 4 weeks. If you've got forms that are being filled out quite a lot of users and a lot of forms. It'll be all here in your back office. And that's a quick look at the form. So yeah, so it was one more thing I was going to say to you. The text for this Let me pull it up again. Sorry, mouse. So right here, this field here where you can manipulate this text is when you're creating the form, you hit the Add New button or you hit the Edit button. So let's look at what I've got here. Right here, footer description. That's where you can manipulate that info on the bottom of the form footer. Okay, again right here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Again, as usual, if you have any input or questions, don't hesitate to reach out.